Hey guys, how's it going? Richard Murtaugh Jr. here. We're gonna be doing some Pro Late models here at USA. I've gotten a couple messages throughout this week leading up to USA. Get some coaching lessons. I've had a couple already. Also, I've been getting a lot of people asking about what lap times, what lines and stuff they should be running. Pretty much, I'm gonna be showing everyone a couple laps around USA. I pre-generated the track to 50%. It's not going to be like this in the race, I feel. It's definitely going to be a little bit slicker on the bottom. It's not going to have as much moisture, but you get the point. It's pretty close. Just run a couple laps here. The main thing is you just got to stay through the moisture on corner exit the best you can. Corner entry, you can drive right through the slick, or you can drive right through the moisture and get tight, just like I did. As long as you get out of the corner in the moisture, you'll be set. I don't like driving through the moisture on corner entry. I like staying right in the slick and then getting into the moisture. The setup for this week is relatively loose, so you don't gotta set it in too hard into the corner, but it hooks up. I'm using like no brake at all. I have my foot on it. If I'm using it, it's only about like 5% or so, if that. Like I said, corner exit, right through the moisture. Corner entry, right through the slick. Lift, get down, right through the moisture, back on it. I set it into the corner, not too hard, nothing crazy, but you got to be able to get it into the corner. I've been having some people that just driving it into the corner straight, they don't set it at all, and that's what it does. The car just doesn't turn at all. So you got to actually set it in. You got to get it off the bars on corner entries, so pretty much all you do is just do a slight little flick into the corner like that. I put a lot of side bite into the setup for this week because I do know how USA gets. It is a pretty slick track in the and just no matter what the series is, supers, official, pro official, they both get really slick. So pretty much this week we should have a lot of wins coming through from everyone. So excited. Lap time wise, I'm gonna show you what I've been running. I've been running 23.1s consistently. That's about about where you want to be is 23.1s around this place. Optimal's 23.0. I meant, my bad. But that's about it. All you gotta do is enter in, keep it tucked. Corner exit, right through the moisture with the left rear tire. There you go. Hooked up. Now let's do 3 and 4. Keep it hooked. Right through the moisture. There you go, all set.